restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the same.
Alright, good morning. It is Wednesday the 15th. I'm dropping things. We just checked out of our Airbnb in
outside of Kirka.
Outside of Kirka National Park. Only had about a half a cup of coffee this morning. And now we are heading towards Split. Technically, we don't have to be there until this evening. We can get there as early as we want. We didn't plan anything for today. We kind of thought we would take 2 days in Kirka National Park, but we saw pretty much everything we wanted to yesterday. So we decided to take today, kind of drive along the coast, take our time, stop if we see something. If not, we just go on and get to Split a little earlier. Anything else?
Nope, we're gonna make some stops along the way and see the coast.
Mike is once again doing an awesome job at driving. I think our views will be pretty today. And we'll see what the day brings.
Need to stop, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shot it.
Alright, so we are driving to Split. We stopped in this little town called Premosten. It's right on the water, really pretty. We got a couple coffees. The prices are pretty good. It's 20 kuna for
Espresso and a cappuccino.
an espresso and a cappuccino.
Which is about $3.
About 3 USD. Just wanted to show you what we're looking at.
We're needing the coffee to wake us up, but this vibe is about to put me to sleep. I love it.
Very relaxed.
Alright, you know that we love food and we love bargain hunting. So we both had some cereal this morning. We've already eaten, it's not a big deal. But we walked by a place that had pizza. This slice of pizza cost us, what was it, 12?
It was
12?
8.
Oh, 8?
And it was 6.
Regardless, about $1.50 for that big old. So now we're gonna stuff our faces. All right, back on the road. A couple more cups of coffee in us because we're officially in Croatia, right? And some pizza. That little town was Premosten, and it's just along the coast between Kirka and Split. So we just had in mind that we would drive the coast today and stop where we stopped and whatever, but we couldn't help noticing how good the prices were on stuff, which is silly. It's a little coastal town that's
All right, so we got to Split. We dropped the car off.
No.
It was chaos.
We got to Split. We tried to drop the car off. We drove by the rental car place 3 times because there's no place to park in front of it. And then one of the guys that worked there took pity on us, saw us, ran up to our open window and said, hey, you need to leave the car here. And we're like, awesome, let's turn around and leave the car here. And then it wasn't that easy. We ended up going the wrong way down a one-way.
Got stuck down an alley that ended. Had to do a 20-point turn.
Everybody was super nice about helping us though.
We're here. Everybody has been nice since we got to Croatia.
We no longer have a car, which is a big relief. Although it's really nice to have. I didn't have to drive, so it was nice for me to have.
Yeah, she didn't have to drive, so it would be nice to have somebody drive.
All right. So this is Split. We are walking to find our Airbnb. My hands are still shaking from adrenaline because that was terrifying. But it's gorgeous. I'm gonna take this coat off because it's actually warm enough. And we'll see what we can find today. All right, for those of you who know me, you know I'm super type A and slightly control freak about things. So normally I've researched everything, booked everything, we've exchanged money, all this stuff. This trip we didn't. So we need to book a bus
to Dubrovnik from Split.
Yes.
And we did not get enough money ahead of time, so we had to use an ATM. And it's fine. Just try to make sure you get enough money ahead of time.
Because the bus terminal doesn't take cards.
And there's a lot of places here in Split that do not take cards. So
not that big of a deal, but it cuts into your fun time trying to research where your best exchange rate is, because if you're like me and you're a couponer and type A.
So side note.
That's it. Just wanted to let y'all know that. We're gonna go try to enjoy the rest of our evening.
It cost us about $30 USD. Which was about the exchange rate if you just get cash, if you get USD cash to Kuna.
At any exchange place instead of an ATM. Shout out to Chase for not having international fees. We love you because we get the best exchange rate with you. All that jazz. All right.
But
sorry.
Now you know.
Now you know. The more you know. We're gonna go enjoy this and stop stressing about money and booking stuff and all that jazz. So, do Virginia. We are at the basement halls of Diocletian's Palace. It costs 45 kuna each to come in. Self-guided tour. We're just gonna walk around, see what it's about, and it looks pretty so far.
So crazy that you did that while all these
Alright, we're venturing back out into the city. We took a little break, hour break or so, to just chillax. Just relax. We're going back out into the city. We're going to try to do the, what are we doing? The bell tower, Jupiter's temple, the mausoleums, some more sightsee type of stuff. And we're getting ice cream, finally. We haven't got ice cream yet.
We have to get ice cream.
Here we go. Ready to go. So we just did our touristy type things, which included the treasury, the cathedral, the crypt, and Jupiter's temple, or also called the baptistry. We hope to do the bell tower, but according to one of the information ladies, she said it's closed for maybe the next 2 years for renovation. Good to know. Didn't find it anywhere online. It was very much recommended to do these things, and it wasn't expensive. It was 40 kuna a piece, so 80 kuna altogether, which is 13-ish bucks. But it was like bing, bang, boom. They were one room, no signs, no
did all of it in
descriptions.
about 20 minutes.
Yeah, I think there were little guides that you could buy for an extra maybe 5 kuna, which isn't bad, but we didn't buy them. Just interestingly, not what we expected. Not bad, but don't know that I could recommend really any of them. Now we're gonna go get some foods, because that's what we do.
I'm just sitting on the boardwalk.
Yeah, it's nice. Sun's going down, so it's getting a little cooler, but it's still nice.
Alright, so today is Friday the 17th. It is
It's my birthday!
Stephanie's birthday. We're taking a boat cruise to the Blue Lagoon.
One of them, there's several. It seems like.
And Shulta,
And Fieldo.
like she said.
Yeah. And there's going to be some drinks and some food, and we're excited. And I brought the Ginger's best friend.
Yes. We should be getting out of here in the next 10-15 minutes. And it's
Gorgeous day for
perfect
it.
day today.
No rain, little blue sky.
And there's the bar.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
Alright, so we stopped at Shulta and we're gonna walk around a little bit. Shulta is the Croatian word for olive. This is very nice, very coastal,
In
quaint.
2017, it was voted as the most authentic coastal town in Croatia. Seems cute, seems small. Sorry.
There are several boat tours who have gotten in here, so this is suddenly a busy looking little city. Very pretty.
I can stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. Didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. Oh, I wish I won't be gone. Pictures of you in my head. I won't be gone. Oh, I wish the sun.
Very clean.
Hey!
Very good
Nemoj
weather.
gazi po fugama! Ne gazi po
He's not
fugama!
mad, I promise. We've learned that.